Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial 4. In this video we are going to understand how we can make a 2D file handle in AutoCAD window. तो सबसे पहले हम अपने AutoCAD की विंडो को ओपन करते हैं। जब फाइल ओपन हो जाए फिर मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ। अगर आप नहीं जानते कि हमने ये फाइल अपने AutoCAD पे किस तरीके से बनाई थी तो आप नीचे दिए गए हुए लिंक पर आप क्लिक करें जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन पे गिवन है। तो सबसे पहला मैं फाइल हैंडल बनाने के लिए हमने अपनी पिछली विंडो में सीखा था लाइन कमांड का और सर्कल कमांड का। आज भी बस हमें खाली लाइन और सर्कल कमांड का यूज़ करना है। एक नई कमांड आएगी जिसको हम कहते हैं मिरर। मिरर से आप वो तमाम ऑब्जेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं जो सिमेट्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स हों। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप इस वाले फिगर को देखें तो हमारी जो ये लाइन है लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है, तो हम इस लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री पे हम मिरर कमांड का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम अपनी AutoCAD की विंडो पे आते हैं और लाइन 110 मिलीमीटर्स की ड्रॉ करते हैं। उसके बाद लाइन ड्रॉ करने से हमें इसका सेंटर पॉइंट पता चल जाएगा सर्कल का, जो कि 27 है। तो सबसे पहले हम ये दो चीज़ें करते हैं, उसके बाद हम अपनी इस विंडो पे वापसी में आएंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम आ जाते हैं AutoCAD की विंडो पे और लाइन को सिलेक्ट करेंगे। क्लिक F8 फॉर ऑर्थो मोड and then type 110 from your keyboard and press enter. Escape. Bring your cursor to your drawing. Scroll up from your mouse for zoom in. Circle, radius. Click here and then type 27 radius. Press enter. Then come back to your window. Here you see that the total distance is 20 and the half of it will be 10. So click on line, click here and type 10, enter. Escape. Now here the circle is of radius 5, so we have to determine its center point. The center point can easily be determined by making a line of distance 5 mm. Line, click here, distance 5, enter, escape. Then click on circle, click here, radius 5. Now we have to make a circle that is tangent to these two circles, and this circle is of radius 150. So we have to click on this arrow, click on tangent radius and click on here, then click here and specify the radius, that is 150, from your keyboard and press enter. Now the next step is to trim your drawing. Type TR from your keyboard, double press enter and then click here, here and here. Click here and press the delete button from your keyboard or type erase. Now we have to trim this also, so we extend this line, type trim command TR and double press enter. Now here we have to use the mirror command, and this is the line of symmetry. Type MI and press enter. Here you see that the mirror term appears. So click here and now select the object. Click here and select this whole object. Now right click on your mouse and determine the line of symmetry. Click, left click and left click here. Erase source objects, no. So after doing all this stuff, we have to make this. The total distance, vertical distance is about 20 and the horizontal is about 12. So the half of 20 will be 10, or this can easily be made by using a rectangle command. So we are using a rectangle command. Here you see that rectangle, click on this. Once you click, specify this point and then click on dimension in the command window. Now the AutoCAD is asking that specify the length of the rectangle. The length is basically the x-axis. So what is our x-axis? It's 20, it's 12, and y-axis is 20. So the x-axis is of 12, enter, and y-axis is of 20. Press enter and then click here. So you see that the file handle is now completed. Now we have to do the dimensions. Erase command, enter. Now you see that I haven't applied any layer in this because I forgot to apply layer. So don't need to worry, you don't have to worry about this. Just select this figure all and then click here and click on drawing. The drawing layer is now activated to all of our 2D drawing. Now for dimension you have to select the layer and dimensions, click on line, bring your cursor to an arc or a circle, follow the green line, press escape, again bring your cursor to your arc, and follow the green line. The next step is to mention the dimensions, that is 110, 12, radius 5. Now what we have to do is to change our layer, bring to standard, that is 0, and type DLI for linear dimension, or you can go to the annotation panel and click here linear. From this point to this point, dimension is 110. Then again click on linear, select this point to this point is 12. Press space from your keyboard. This is 20, and now we have to determine the dimension of the arc on the circle. For this we have to go to the radius, click on the arc, space to repeat the previous command, escape to cancel the command, again radius, this, and then again this radius. Now we have to type text, that is file handle. Now what we have to do is type empty from your keyboard and press enter. Now use your mouse scroll wheel to move your page, and now click here. Change your font size to 6, enter, and type file handle. The next step is to zoom your drawing, zoom extend. Now you have to move your page down, zoom in, and now the final step is to save your drawing. Click on save as, and type file handle. Save. You see that the file is saved on desktop. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.